Hi guys, good evening. Hope you are able to hear me clearly now. I've just got a new mic setup on my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So yeah, many of you had questions around the device what I and Pradeep have been using on our helmets, right? So guys, today I'm just going to do a quick review of the device what we guys use to communicate while riding. So guys, this is as you see, it's a Vnetphone V6. So yeah, it's of course it's Vnetphone, and then yeah, it's a communicator device. It works both for your as an intercom, and where if I have say 5 riders riding together, and this can pair with all the 5 riders using the intercom technology. And right now it's just paired with one rider, that is Pradeep. And yeah, as soon as we turn on this device, both our intercoms get paired, and we are in continuous communication all the time while we are riding. So that's one of the features of this device. Apart from that, if at all, this also pairs with my mobile phone via the Bluetooth feature. So it just pairs with the Bluetooth feature, and it's able to pick up the calls, auto answer my calls. I don't miss any phone calls. And when I'm navigating using Google Maps, this device also provides me voice commands or directions, right? So it does everything what is needed out of it. And yeah, the setup wise, it's quite simple. It can be installed on any helmet. It's done by removing these pads. There is a headset basically, which is connected inside. So right here you would have the earphones which are put in, and the mic is routed all the way, and it comes and sits here. I hope you are able to see. If not, it's right here, guys. It's right here. It sits there. So you might ask me, what is the other microphone here? What you see, right? So this microphone is my setup for the vlogging, which I have just set up yesterday. So yes, I have set it up, and then I'll share that with you in a different video. But for now, I would like to focus on this device. So yeah, it's very useful, guys, this particular device, and quite inexpensive. Just costs about under 4,000 rupees for a set, and does pretty much the job what a Sena would do, which is about 4 times the cost. So yeah, in terms of charging, it's very simple, and this is something it can be removed. So it is quite simple. You just have to press this button and take this device out. So there's the device which has come out, right? So now this device, uh, once charged, it can sustain about say 10-12 hours of riding probably, and that is quite decent. And it just powers on like this, you see it, and now it's connected to my phone. You see here, it says Vnetphone V6. It's paired to that. So it's quite simple, guys. Just like any other Bluetooth device pairing, it just pairs, and once it is paired, it's ready to give you the pickup calls, give you alerts for your messages, and also Google navigation in terms of voice. So in terms of charging, yeah, this cable is provided with the device. So one end is a 3.5 mm jack and other end is a USB. You can just connect it to any of your USB chargers and then just connect this way and charge it. Takes just about say 1 hour to charge fully. That's about it, and you're ready to go for next 10 hours. So that's about this particular device, guys. And this comes with this particular clamp also, which is fitted here for the helmet. So this is sort of a permanent clamp, but yeah, it can be removed with the screws. So once you charge it, you just put it this way, and then just it goes click, and then you are done, and then you're all set. So this small button is to power off. And these are all the different 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Totally 5 riders can be paired, and these are your volume toggle buttons to increase and reduce volume. So yeah, I've been using this product. I bought this product second time, so I've been using this product for about say last 5 years now, and for the amount you pay for it, it's really worth it, and I feel it's a must-have for everybody on their helmets, right? All right. So, guys, thanks for watching, and let me know your thoughts, comments, and any questions I can try and clarify. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.